Hello students, good morning. Once again, welcome back to our channel VI Academy. So this video little bit delay due to the different exams are conducted. So these exams are related to our channel. So we are most of our concentration is present at that examinations, that Air Force and NDA. So then only this is little bit delay. So this video onwards, then we are releasing our the videos. So these are most important bits regarding all the examination purpose, and some of the bits are coming from the previous examinations also. So please read and write whatever questions. If you have doubt, then I will explain to you. So please give me your comments, and please like and subscribe our channel, and to please increase to us. So we will go through the examination purpose of the bits. The first bit, the example of rusting of iron. Several times this question will be arise in the examinations. So the oxidation property. When the iron is rusting due to, because the atmosphere moisture are present in the atmosphere, when the iron is present in the outside of that our houses or gates, some other one, so the iron is reacts with the oxygen, presence of oxygen, so it will be converted into the iron oxide, FeO. So that is the main problem of the oxidation property. Then only this question also asking two types. When the rusting of iron can be stopped or rectified by using of galvanizing coating or some silver paints. So when you are attempt the galvanizing coating or some paints, it will protect to chemical reaction will takes place in between iron and oxygen. Okay. So the next question, campers can be converted into vapors in the process is known as sublimation. Generally, when the substance is heated, it can be converted into the solid to liquid and liquid to gas states. But ammonium chloride campers, these are when you are heating, the solid can be converted into direct vapors. This does not come back into the liquid state. So that is known as the sublimation process. Next, the third question, the seawater converted into the freshwater process is called reverse osmosis process. This osmosis process most probably takes place in the plants, the leaves. The excess of oxygen or water can be released through the leaves, but this process, the salting water can be converted into the fresh water. This is the reverse osmosis process. The next question, which acid is present when milk converted into the curd? The milk converted into the curd, it is the lactic acid. Sometimes there are question also like that only. So the curd, which type of acid is present in the curd? Like that only the question may be arise. Next, lemons and grapes contains the name of the acid, that is the citric acid. The next question, the name of the acid is present in the battery. So yeah, these batteries, in car batteries or in our house purpose we are using batteries, these are contains the dilute sulfuric acid. It is not so harmful, but it is dangerous. Inverter, car batteries, bus batteries, these are the next question. Which lens are present in camera? So the mistake, CAMERA camera, CANR, this is a little bit mistake. So convex lens. In which rays are transmitted TV control unit to operation, TV operation? Ultraviolet rays. The next question, which mirrors are used to dentist? The most probably the dentists are used concave mirrors are used to detect the damage of the teeth in his mouth. Scattering of light is atmosphere destroyed particles. The next question. Cutting diamond bright shining due to the total internal reflection will take place. The make an angle of 42 degrees. The next question. The maximum weight of an object at poles. Maximum weight of the object at the poles. The equatorial line minimum and the center of the earth is 0. Sometimes the question will comes like that only. When a man can walk from equatorial line to poles, the weight of the person. So weight of the person will be increases. So what is meant by kinetic energy? The kinetic energy means a body under the motion when the external force acting on it. Next question. Who explained the planets are revolved around the sun? This is capillary theory. Capillaries are the scientist is explained to us. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E. Retinol D. Calciferol E. Tocopherol E. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin C, ascorbic acid, vitamin B1, thiamine, vitamin B2, ribofloben, vitamin B3, Neysen, vitamin B5, Pantonic acid, vitamin B6, pyridoxine, vitamin B7, biotin, vitamin B9, Polic acid. This is the most important acid in our human being. If this folic acid will be less, so it is very dangerous to us. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. This is also most important in the human body. The beta B with vitamin B12 is deficiency. A man cannot be walking properly, so he was tilt either front, back, or sides, and it becomes very weak. Very weak. The hands and the legs are cannot be moved and cannot be held. So when you are sitting, when you lift it on, it becomes unconscious conditions. So these are the most important vitamin in human body, especially in ladies. So vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Who was proposed the name of biology? Darwin. The next question. Who was the father of the biology? Aristotle. The next question. Who was the developer of nucleus? Robert Brown. He was discovered first. He was the Robert Brown. What is spondiritesy disease? So the answer is the back pain. Spinal cord. What are the units of radius of nucleus? Angstrom. One angstrom is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Fermi, the smallest particle unit of distance used to measure nuclear size. 10 at the minus 15 meters per second, 10 to the power of 15 meters per second. The next question. In which isotopes are used to detect clotting blood in human body? Vitamin E. Iodine 153, 131 are used for to detect thyroid problem. If an object is moved in a circular path with uniform, its motion is called uniform circular motion. At constant speed. 26. The distance time graph for motion of an object moving with a constant speed is straight line. It will be indicate the straight line. The pilot has to release the bomb to hit the target. So that is the before the target. The slope of the velocity time graph is represents acceleration. The moment of inertia of the body does not depends on of the angular velocity. It does not depends on the angular velocity. An object is with constant speed. It does not accelerated. So these are the most important bits regarding all the examination purposes. So please kindly listen and observe the videos. I hope this is the most important bit for your future examinations. So if you are like, please kindly subscribe, like and share our video, and please encourage to us. This week onwards we are frequently release the videos. Thank you very much.